Also, I'm a Pikachu. Oh, hi guys, I'm Daiwik. Today I'm doing a paper Pikachu. We need a red crayon and a black pencil. And a clear shaped ink in paper. First step, diagonal. You need to make the paper diagonal, like this. And then triangle, like this. Have you ever seen a origami boat? It's something like that, but it's quite an easy step. Easy one. And then do like this. It's kind of like a boat, right? Now let's do Pikachu's ears. Pikachu. And that. And then the same thing in the next thing. Yeah. No. Good. Now, Pikachu don't have pointy ears and pointy heads. Sorry about that. You need that. For that, you need to down the up. This looks like Pikachu, right? But Pikachu has a face. There's no face here. That's why we got the black pencil and the red crayon. Okay. Trouble for this. Next, let's get the black pencil and do Pikachu's eyes. Dun 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 dun. Pikachu has one eye. Where's the other one? I'm writing to that. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Now, let's do the nose. Ding. That's just like. Wow. A cute face. But that's not a face, that's the nose. This is the real face. Say, this is the real face. Now, Pikachu has like a black things in the top of their ears. So let's do that. Yeah. Yes. And then that. Okay. Got it. Next one. Yes. And got it. Now let's do Pikachu's cheeks. Pikachu's have red cheeks. Dun, 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 dun. Good. And good. Now Pikachu's done. Ta-da! Hope you liked my video. Thank you for subscribing my video Or if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe. Ring a bell. See you next time. Bye.